We celebrate Dr. Karen Seibert's selection as the 2013 recipient of the College of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences Distinguished Alumni Award. And with good reason. She is best known as one of the principal investigators who identified the arthritis and pain drug Celebrex. Karen is one of those rare individuals whose lab work is translated directly into every pharmacy around the world. Truly one who has improved the human condition, Karen's effort is the prescription for many in what her sister Catherine takes for rheumatoid arthritis. How impactful is our honoree? The Wall Street Journal reported that in 2012, Celebrex generated sales of $2.7 billion around the world. Karen has been carrying the ball since her earliest days growing up in Cleveland. One of 4 children, Karen was always good at science and math, an academic brownie with hot fudge, whipped cream, and a cherry on top. Karen graduated from high school in 1977. Grandmother Meta and Mom Tova wished her well at Northwestern University. It was in Evanston that Karen earned her bachelor's in biological sciences. That brought her to UT, where in just the first couple of weeks she found her niche, pharmacology research with a medical impact. Because of an advocate and mentor like Dr. Christine Hinko, Karen was on her way. She graduated from Toledo in 1983 with a master's in pharmacology and followed with a PhD from Vanderbilt in '87 and fellowships at Vandy and Washington University in St. Louis. Her UT days were special for not only her career direction, but it's where she met her husband. Karen married UT alumnus Bob Boyd in 1988. In the late 80s, Karen and her colleagues were the first to describe a novel enzyme involved in pain and inflammation, COX-2. Their discovery led to the development of specific inhibitors of the COX-2 enzyme that provide significant improvement over current therapies for patients with arthritis. The end result was a better way of life through Celebrex.
If you suffer from the persistent joint pain of osteoarthritis, there's something you should know.
Further research by Karen found that the drug was also helpful in treating some forms of cancer and eye disorders. Her impactful work has helped millions and resulted in many honors. Among them, she was presented the Discoverers Award in honor the pharmaceutical industry pays to its scientists. Karen ultimately became Vice President of Research and Development for Pfizer Labs in St. Louis, where for 7 years she was responsible for 1,000 scientists and staff. Now Director of Genomics and Pathology Services at Washington University School of Medicine, she directs a group of 100 who research and develop new genomic tests for use in the diagnosis and treatment of disease, especially in oncology, cardiology, Alzheimer's disease, and rare genetic disorders. Karen is also a professor in Washington's Department of Pathology and Immunology and a professor in the Department of Genetics. For more than 30 years, she has focused on the discovery and the development of new therapeutics. One of UT's most distinguished graduates, the College of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences is honored to present Dr. Karen Seibert with its Distinguished Alumni Award in 2013.